Minasan konnichiwa, Simpson desu. Hi everyone, it's Mr. Simpson. Today we're looking at explaining what your pet eats. So for example, if you're talking about your dog, use the example question in the heading. What does your dog eat? Inu wa nani o tabemasu ka? Inu wa nani o tabemasu ka? What does your dog eat? To answer this question, let's first look at the different things your pets might eat or drink. Generic pet or dog food is esa. Esa. Vegetables are yasai. Yasai. Grass is kusa. Kusa. Fish is sakana. Sakana. Meat is niku. Niku. Water is mizu. Mizu. And milk is miruku. Miruku. Further, we will need two verbs, two doing words. To eat in Japanese is tabemasu. Tabemasu. And to drink is nomimasu. Nomimasu. So, the sentence structure is pet wa food o tabemasu. Or pet wa drink o nomimasu. Depending on whether you're saying they eat something or they drink something. So for example, the first example sentence, my dog eats dog food. Inu wa esa o tabemasu. Inu wa esa o tabemasu. My cat drinks milk. Neko wa miruku o nomimasu. Neko wa miruku o nomimasu. My rabbit eats grass. Usagi wa kusa o tabemasu. Usagi wa kusa o tabemasu. じゃあ、これで終わりましょう. Alright, we'll leave it there.